My name is Mitch Rankin, and I share ideas that have been useful in my life. I love what Seneca said. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Life is long enough, and a sufficiently generous amount has been given to us for the highest achievement if it were all well invested. Life is long if you know how to use it.
It's cold again here today, and woke up to just beautiful rain all night. It's been raining the last couple of days, and it's lovely to see the garden just come alive and start blooming, and I know summer's on its way. Just to hear the birds as the sun starts coming up. And I've been sitting here thinking about, what brought me to this position in life and how I developed the ideas and the things that I believe in, and why I've decided to, live my life on the terms that I've chosen. And I remember many, many years ago as a young guy during the Angolan Bush War, sitting underneath an acacia tree and looking over a beautiful Shona, really stunning countryside, and just deciding that I wanted to be able to control my time and do things that I wanted. I didn't want to spend my life working. I wanted to have memories, I wanted to have relationships, I wanted to have experiences that created a really rich life for me. And so with that fundamental centerpiece as the thought process in my life, I decided to put the building blocks in place to create that and to make it happen. And over time, I've actively sought out tools and systems and different ideas, different methodologies that have put things in place that have helped me to develop the habits that I needed to live the life that I want. I mean, I know I have to work, I've got to be productive, but that's only one part of my life. And the other parts are equally important. My relationships are super important to me. In fact, they're the center point of my life. My self-development is really important, continual learning. My health is paramount to doing everything that I do and keeping the whole thing together and living out the life that I want. And those things are as important to me as me having my own free time. I mean, being able to do things, be quiet, go places, go for a dive, be alone with my thoughts are equally important as all the other things. The only way to actually achieve that in my life was for me to build a system that controlled my habits, because I am not strong enough to focus on doing everything together. I'm just not together enough to do that. I need to have a system to help me put that together. If I don't have that system to put that together, things will go off track, and they won't go off track months down the line. They're going to go off track tomorrow. And it's funny because, sometimes, as you guys know, I wake up at 4 o'clock every morning, so when my alarm goes off, I get out of bed, and I've got a couple of hours to work and to think and to be quiet and to actually get my day going and to get the bulk of the work out of the way while it's quiet and I don't have any distractions. And irrespective of what time I go to bed, that happens. And I think that one fundamental thing is like the lead domino that has actually helped me to get things going, because it says something to me. It says I'm a disciplined person, I'm an organized person, I respect my time, I create time for all of those different areas in my life. And that puts me in a position to actually create the life that I live. And it's actually not that difficult. I was thinking about how do I, get that all together? How do I make it work? And it really is just a system. That system is some steps that I decided to put together, which I put into my calendar. And I put alarms and notifications on it. And my whole day is not structured like that. It's just portions of my day that are structured. But those portions create that domino effect, that spiral, and just work all through my day and through my week, through my month, the year, and actually create the life that, if I look back over the last 10 years, have put me in the position where I am now, which is to be very grateful and to be happy with, what I have around me, and to look forward to the future, knowing that if I keep on implementing those ideas, and if I keep on, using that system of controlling my habits, I've got a really good chance of achieving many, many of the dreams that I set out to do. And I encourage you to think about that. It's just simple habits. Find the one domino that'll create that domino effect in your life. Put that in place. Let it tell you that you're a disciplined person that respects your time, that will live out your dreams, and you really can enjoy the life that you want. And that's what it's all about, isn't it?